It's known that business models often grow out of organizational needs to generate revenue so that a business can grow and flourish. But what if you knew that broader belief systems or institutional logics also influence the type of business an organization embraces? By studying the German car-sharing market, researchers discovered that community and corporation logics contribute to the diversity of business model creation. In Germany, renting cars to consumers for short periods of time was popularized in the 1980s. Initially, the companies involved embraced a community-style institutional logic, forming their business models around desires to protect citizens from eroding cityscapes and excessive pollution. But later, as car sharing became popular, corporate joint ventures entered the market, embracing the institutional logics of their parent companies. Whereas the community car sharing model had built-in mechanisms to encourage people to drive less, thereby helping the city and the environment, the corporate car sharing model stripped away some of those mechanisms, leading its renters to choose to use cars more often than public transportation, walking, or cycling. Each style of car-sharing business model was influenced heavily by its predominant institutional logic, sending the German car-sharing industry on two very separate business model trajectories over time. Wonder how institutional forces mold companies' business models? If so, then you may want to read this paper.